guys? First day of the 4th week. This Friday and Saturday was insane. I had 14-hour shifts at the shop, literally 14 hours each a day on Friday and Saturday. So I'm very tired. On Sunday we had a birthday party at CB's birthday party in Laredo at Peter Piper. Drove back to Zapata, got to Zapata, had VIPs. I didn't get out till like 10 at night. Then I had to go back home, do my paperwork, do all my packing and stuff like that, get everything ready. I didn't take off till like 12:30. I didn't get to McAllen, to the spa like until 2:30 in the morning. Got to McAllen 2:30 in the morning. Went to sleep like at 3:30. Woke up at 4:40 to be at the gym so I can take a shower and come to school. So right now I'm running like an hour and a half of sleep. I'm very tired. I'm very exhausted. But you know what? It's gonna be worth it. It's gonna be worth it because I know that what I'm investing in is gonna bring me back a lot more. So let me introduce you to one of our great instructors here. She's been here forever, Miss Martha. How you doing, Miss Martha?
Awesome.
Tell YouTube how much of a great instructor you are.
Wow, pretty great. It's doing it for too long.
How long, Miss Martha?
I've been a barber for 35 years, an instructor for 30.
Wow. 30 years.
30 years.
And 30 years working here.
30 years working.
You graduated many barbers, many barber stylists.
Many barbers. Since 1988.
And we're 2018.
Been through a lot.
And you touched many lives.
Many lives. And many lives have touched me.
Eso.
I have many friends.
Really?
Many
Do you regret
barber
anything?
friends.
Do you regret?
Nothing. I love my job.
Really?
By Sunday, I'm ready to come back on Monday. Being the one that educated them, and I wanted to open the door to something bigger for them. So I started doing the battle here, and every year, it gets, I'm not saying bigger and better, but more like they started competing here, and now I see them competing. And the people that like it, the barbers that like it, I see them compete in Houston. They go compete in Corpus. Every year you see the guys going up and up. And that's, to me, that was pretty awesome to be able to.
Yeah, because you kind of impact their life and open their eyes to where they can see it's a lot more than just cutting behind the chair.
Because all of a sudden, and I mean, since I've been doing this for many years before, people say like, oh, you're a barber. You're just a barber. All of a sudden, you see it everywhere. Again, like on YouTube and all this. Now it's not just, oh, you're just a barber. Now you're like, wow. It's something awesome now to be a barber. It's art, which I've always thought that. I've always thought like you're an artist. Whatever you do on that head, that's your canvas. You're creating it. Whether it's a haircut, a blow dry, a shampoo and set, whatever it is, that's your canvas. Make it look good. That's your work. That's your pride. That's gonna walk out of here and walk into town, and it's got your name on it. That's what I think about barbering. It's awesome. We go as long as I can, I'm gonna try to teach, try to give these kids hope. And if you see, when we started this, my sister, when we opened the school, that was our thing. We wanna help these kids get through it. We're gonna give you that chance. We want you to do something with your life.
Wow. So there you have it. Miss Martha, appreciate you for sharing your knowledge, not the whole community or the whole valley, but to the whole barber industry. Because of you were able to impact a lot of students that came out of here, and they went out there and they're doing things. They have the barber cartel, they have barbershops out there, and believe it or not, because you had something to do with it, you impacted many lives outside of barbers' lives, because the barbers impact people's lives, the clients' lives Why? Because they were given an opportunity to be educated as a professional barber. So thank you, Ms. Martha.
Thank you.
Shouting out. This is my first day out of the 4th week, and more to come. Stay tuned, guys. All right, y'all ready? Yeah, let's do it. All right, let's do this. Okay. The person that doesn't do design, you're gonna learn how to design today. I don't care how bad you are, I don't care how good you are, you're gonna learn how to design today. All right. Who can be my model to designs? Designs are something that not every barbershop does, right? Designs were a trend. Designs were hitting big time in 2011, 2012, 2013. Okay, a little bit about my background designs. I was in barber school. When I went to barber school, I had my mentality closed and I said I'm not going to do designs. Why did I say I'm not going to do designs? Because in my town, it's a small town, nobody does them, nobody cares for them, nobody's going to ask for them, it doesn't matter, right? Okay, I graduated from college in February. That February, I started watching YouTube. And I started seeing like these hair shows, barber battles, and platform artists doing designs with a haircut. It totally amazed me, right? I actually had a friend in barber college that he would do designs. But in my mind, I was like, I'm never gonna do designs, so I'm gonna stay here and watch him, right? Okay, that was the worst mistake I ever made. Designs, right?
Hey, you got this, UGK.
Hey, UGK.
Rap it.
Oh my god. But I definitely don't want you to connect it.
Yeah.
Don't connect it.
Oh, okay.
I just want you to random spot.
Okay.
There's a scene. There's a regular scene. You can go fat, you can go skinny, you can go like this.
Fire.
No, I thought I'm gonna come back and do my own thing. Don't be scared, bro. Yeah, you get.
You gotta learn how to hold the clip for a second.
Yeah,
that's a
you know what I mean? Don't connect it.
Alright.
That's the one we wanted.
You told that guy that I have to take the
Oh my god, you see what I'm
Fuck no. I'm telling you.
completely do it differently because it's not connected to this. It's gonna have to be kind of like not sharp. Sharper, not sharp. Why is that? Because we have a steel blade on the top and we have a moving blade in the bottom. Whenever they do this, you come in here and this is all choppy. You have to flip it. Just put the lines are real separate.
Gave you room to give you room.
Yeah. Coming in here. I mean, 3, which is rounded.
No, I'm talking about the Z.
So now I have a cleaner 3, nice and crisp. So now, this is supposed to be a Z, right? So, but it's okay. No, but
That's it.
but this is gonna come out of the original line and then double line.
Oh, okay.
So that's what I'm gonna do. You're in the shop? Hey, I want to freestyle. All right, I got you. I'm gonna do the exact same thing I always do. You know what I mean? And just come in with it like that. So now we have.
What if they want to leave?
You start getting ideas.
Huh?
Like a feather.
Well, then it's no.
Oh, well, yeah, that's gonna be more expensive. I know how to do that. And create a Z, because my design's over here, so I want to bring all my attention over here. I just want it to look like it's gonna come out. I'm gonna connect a freaking Z to this.
Now it looks like another 3.
Because that's all it is, man. It's just. So the top is gonna be real close. To this.
I was stressed out.